Narrated Salim, my father said, I heard the Prophet delivering the khutbah on the pulpit and he said, whoever comes for the Jummah prayer should take a bath before coming. Narrated Ibn Juraj, I heard Nazi saying, Ibn Umar said, the Prophet forbade that a man should make another man to get up to sit in his place. I said to Nafi, is it for Jummah prayer only? He replied, for Jummah prayer and any other prayer. Narrated Anas bin Malik, the Prophet used to offer the prayer earlier if it was very cold. And if it was very hot he used to delay the prayer, i.e. the Jummah prayer. Narrated Abu Huraira, Allah's Apostle (p.b.u.h) said, when the imam is delivering the khutbah, and you ask your companion to keep quiet and listen, then no doubt you have done an evil act. Narrated Abu Sa'id al-Khudri, Allah's Apostle said, the taking of a bath on Friday is compulsory for every Muslim who has attained the age of puberty. Narrated Anas bin Malik, we used to offer the Jummah prayer early, and then have an afternoon nap. Narrated Ibn Abbas, the first Jummah prayer, which was offered after a Jummah prayer offered at the Mosque of Allah's Apostle, took place in the Mosque of the tribe of Abdul Qais at Jawathi in Bahrain. Narrated Abu Huraira, the Prophet used to recite the following. In the Fajr prayer of Friday, Alif, Lam, Mim. Tanzil Surat Asida number 32 and Halat Ali El Insani Surah Hadar number 76. Narrated Abdullah bin Umar, I heard Allah's Apostle saying, anyone of you coming for the Jummah prayer should take a bath. Narrated Abu Sa'id al-Khudri, Allah's Apostle (p.b.u.h) said, the taking of a bath on Friday is compulsory for every male Muslim who has attained the age of puberty.